Hello everybody and welcome to Doing Stuff and Things. Today we do stuff on the north shore of Kauai at Hanalei Bay. We're going kayaking out into the bay. Now technically on this trip we're fishing, but this is not a fishing video. Partly because the fish weren't biting that day, but mainly because this video, short little video, is to demonstrate just how fast the weather can change here in Kauai. It can go from a little drizzle to a rain to a nice day to a torrential downpour, then back to a beautiful day again that fast. Now, kayaking is really fun and I like to do it and I recommend it. If you're not comfortable on the water though, I recommend you keeping your kayak trips in Kauai to the river. Hanalei River or Wailua River have great kayaking expeditions that you can do. Very gentle, all skill levels, weather permitting. Out in the bay, however, you're way more exposed to the ferocious monsters that can come over the horizon. And another thing about in Kauai is that what you see on the horizon is like 10 minutes away. You don't have a lot of time before it's right on top of you. As you're about to see, when these torrential downpours hit you, it can blot out everything, and it can be really scary. So, check this out. Kayaking Hanalei Bay, Kauai.